To find altitude, AD. So AD passing through A and perpendicular to BC. First to find A point. Find A point. What is A? Clearly from diagram you can observe A is nothing but point of intersection of 1 and 2. Point of intersection of this line and this line. So A is point of intersection A is point of intersection of 1 and 2. Point of intersection of 1 and 2 is A. Solve 1 and 2. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. How to solve two equations? You can use any method. Here I am using determinant method. Write xy1. First start with y coefficient. Here y coefficient is 1. Next constant minus 10. Next x coefficient 7 and y coefficient. Okay, start with y. Y constant xy. That is the procedure. Here also start with y. Y constant xy. Y constant xy. Now x by 1 into 5. 5 minus of minus 2 into minus 10. Y by minus 10 into 1. Minus 10 minus 5 into 7. 35. One by 7 into minus 2. Minus 14 minus 1. So x by minus 15. Y by minus 45. And 1 by minus 15. So cross multiply. That means take these two, x and y is equal. X by minus 15 is equal to 1 by minus 15. Cross multiply solve just you get x as 1. And then minus 15 it cancel by 1. Next, take these two. Y by minus 45 equal 1 by minus 45. E minus 45 is substitute. 45 by 15, that is 3. So y is equal to 3. That is A point. Right? What is point of intersection of 1 and 2? Clearly you can observe from diagram. In equation 1, in equation 2, you don't need point of intersection A. That is 1, 3. Now, AD line. This AD line, AD line passing through A and perpendicular to BC. So what is BC line? We have taken it as equation 3. So slope of BC line, slope of BC, x plus y plus 2 equal 0 is minus x coefficient by y coefficient. How to write slope? Minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Equation ichinapudu slope ela rayachu ante minus x coefficient by y coefficient minus 1 by 1, which gives minus 1. How I am writing? Minus of x coefficient by y coefficient. That is slope of BC. Now clearly from diagram, AD is perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. That implies slope of AD is 1 only. Already you know the technique how to write perpendicular slope. Slope of AD 1. Now equation of AD. Equation of AD passing through A. Passing through A point. What is A point? 1, 3. And having slope M is equal to AD slope how much? 1. Passing through a 1, 3 and having slope m equal 1. Now use y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, which gives y minus 3 is equal to 1 into x minus 1. Now y minus 3 is equal to x minus 1. That implies x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is equation of AD. Equation of AD, that is x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Here x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. AD equation calculate చేసేటప్పుడు first a point ఒకటే చేయండి. No need to find all point of intersections. So what is your title here? To find altitude AD. AD calculate చేస్తాం. అంటే ప్రీవియస్ మెథడ్ కి దీనికి ఎక్స్ట్రా ఏంటంటే ఈ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఒకటి ఎక్స్ట్రా. ఇదే డైరెక్ట్ మనకి వర్టిసెస్ ఇస్తే స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ బీసీ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ ఏ పాయింట్ క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయాలి అది ఒకటే ఎక్స్ట్రాగా యాడ్ అవుతుంది, మిగతాది. టు ఫైండ్ ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ ఏడి వరకు క్లారిటీ వచ్చింది. ఇట్లా కూడా మీకు 7 మార్క్స్ అడగచ్చు, ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్. నౌ ఫైండ్ ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ బి. నెక్స్ట్ టైటిల్ తీసుకోండి. టు ఫైండ్ ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ బి. శాస్త్ర ఎప్పుడు ఎంటర్ అయినారు? టేక్ ఏ స్క్రీన్ షాట్. Very important 7 marks question. Proceed అందరికి క్లారిటీ వచ్చింది కదా? ప్రణవ్ వచ్చే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. టేక్ ఏ స్క్రీన్ షాట్. Right. Now to find altitude B. Next altitude B is started. What is nature of B? B passing through B point. Okay, and perpendicular to AC, of course. B passing through B point. So here you should calculate what is B. B is a point of intersection of, and B point of intersection of 1 and 3. E 1, 3 point of intersection B. Clearly you can observe from diagram. So therefore point of intersection of 1 and 3. XY1 common. XY1 as it is. Follow the determinant procedure. You get B point. From first equation, write y coefficient 1, constant -10, x coefficient 7, constant 1. Next 3, equation 3 తీసుకోండి. This is 3. Start the procedure. Y coefficient రాయండి. Y coefficient is 1. After y coefficient constant 2. Next x coefficient 1. Next constant y coefficient. Y coefficient constant x1. Y constant xy. Adi last procedure. Okay. Y coefficient constant, x coefficient and y coefficient. 1, 2, 1, 1. Now x by 1 into 2, 2 minus of 1 into -10, -10. Y by -10 into 1, -10 minus 2 into 7, 14. Then 1 by 7 into 1, 7 minus 1. Now this is x by 12 is equal to y by -24 is equal to 1 by 6. Take x and constant. Cross multiply here. X by 12 is equal to 1 by 6. X equal 12 by 6, which gives 2. X equal to. Next, take these two. Y is equal minus 24 by 6. That is minus 4. X2 Y minus 4. X2 Y minus 4, which gives B point. The point B is 2 comma minus 4. Okay. Now slope of AC. Slope of AC. Why? Because B is perpendicular to AC. Start the procedure. Already we have equation of AD. Now we are finding equation of B, another altitude. So we got B point 2 comma minus 4. Now slope of AC. AC we have taken 2. మీరు ఆర్డర్ ఏది తీసుకుంటే అదే ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఏసీని సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకున్నాం. X minus 2y plus 5 equal 0. How to write slope from equation? Minus x coefficient. X coefficient 1 minus 1 by y coefficient minus 2, which gives 1 by 2. Now write slope of B. So B is perpendicular to AC. B perpendicular to AC. Therefore, slope of B is nothing but 1 by 2 reverse and 2 by 1. Put or change sign. 1 by 2 plus sign change into minus. Therefore, minus 2 is slope of B. Now, equation of B. What is nature of B? Passing through B point. Passing through B point. What is B point? 2 comma minus 4. And having a slope. And having slope m equal to minus 2. Passing through 2 comma minus 4 and having slope m equal minus 2. Use y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. These steps are already idea on y minus of minus 4 is equal to minus 2 of x minus 2. Y plus 4 is equal to minus 2x plus 4. 2x plus y is equal to 0. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So this is equation of B. Equation of B. Now what is orthocenter? Point of intersection of altitudes. Orthocenter is point of intersection of altitudes. Simply find point of intersections of AD and B. Right? That is the next part, the final part. PI of point of intersection of AD and B. Again solve. What is AD equation? AD equation we got it as x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. BE we got it as 2x plus y equal to 0. Point of intersection det method వెళ్ళొచ్చు లేదా మామూలుగా డైరెక్ట్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో సింపుల్ డైరెక్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోదాం. minus y plus y క్లియర్ ఉంది. Adding, if you add y and y gets cancelled, x plus 2x 3x, that's 2 equal to 0. If 3x plus 2 equal to 0, which gives x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now we have to get y. Now put x is equal to minus 2 by 3 in 2x plus y equal to 0. ADBE ఎక్కడైనా substitute చేసుకోవచ్చు. That is your choice. Simple ఉన్న substitute. Now 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus y is equal to 0. Minus 4 by 3 plus y equal 0, which gives y is equal to 4 by 3. X equal minus 2 by 3, y is equal 4 by 3. So that implies orthocenter. Ortho center minus 2 by 3 comma 4. So x minus 2 by 3, y 4 by 3. That is point of intersection of altitude AE and BE. The final answer ortho center minus 2 by 3 comma 4. 7 marks question. Jarta practice.